you've tried to lose weight and have not been able to succeed, I want to mainly talk to you. If any of you out there know a friend or family member who's tried, pass this video on to them because it's disappointing to me to see people give up. First, I want to talk about why I think people give up. Well, they're trying really hard and nothing's working. They've tried different diets. Nothing is working. They're not seeing any progress. It's hard to stick with something if you're not seeing any progress and you lose hope. And if you lose hope, if you don't have hope, why continue to try to accomplish that weight loss goal if nothing's working? But here's the key. And you guys, if you watch the channel, you've heard me say this before. You have to figure out what is wrong. Something's wrong. And you can't just keep cutting calories and eating less and eating less and eating less. And you're going, it's not working. Well, your hormones could be off first. But what happens when people give up is I think they get unhealthier because they say, you know what? I've tried really, really hard. I can't lose a pound. I'm way overweight. I might as well enjoy what I eat. I like ice cream. I might as well eat ice cream. I might as well eat cake and candy and pie and eat popcorn late at night and watch a movie. Eat Pop-Tarts because that's what I like. Yeah, a lot of that stuff tastes good to most people. And so I understand it's easy to give up. And I hate when people say, it's not fair. Well, it kind of isn't. I agree. It kind of isn't. We see the little skinny person who can eat whatever he or she wants, and they couldn't gain a pound if they had to. Their situation is not always that pleasant either. When they're trying to gain weight and they can't, that's maybe equally as miserable. But here's the thing I want to emphasize. You have to find out what the problem is. The first thing may be your hormones. And don't wait. If you're thinner and you're starting to see your body composition change, don't wait. Go, well, I'm not doing anything different. I'm just going to keep doing this, because then it's going to get out of hand and you could get really big and really obese. But wherever you are in your path to health, hopefully, you have to find out what the problem is. There is a reason why your body is gaining weight, and there's a reason why your body won't lose weight when you're disciplined and you eat less and you're eating a proper diet and you're eating healthy. You may have some of the wrong foods in there. Your macros might not be right. You may not be able to eat as many carbs as you think you are. What's your age? If you're older, you guys know my rule of thumb. Everyone's different, but my rule of thumb is the older you are and the higher fat content on your body, the fewer carbs you should probably eat. If you're 20 and you're really thin, you should probably eat more carbs. But the more over fat you are, that's the first thing I would try, is cutting the carbs. After, of course, you get rid of all processed foods and all seed oils, vegetable oils, those types of things. You can look that up online and find out what seed oils are. They're really bad. So you need to cut those things out. But it could be something that's not obvious. And I think that sometimes when someone's trying so hard, they're eating healthy, something's not obvious if they're not getting results. I want to encourage you to keep trying, because it sure is gratifying when you figure out and you push that right button and you go, wow, the weight's coming off. Whether it's your hormones or your macros or something you're eating. And that, your hormones, that's kind of broad, but everyone's different. So don't give up. Don't say, well, I'm just going to go eat ice cream because it doesn't matter. It does matter. Don't make it worse. Keep trying and find out what's wrong. Talk to experts, talk to nutritionists, get different viewpoints on what they think the problem may be. And there's great nutritionists out there. So talk to multiple nutritionists. You know your body better than anyone else. And then apply your own common sense to the situation and try different things. And keep trying different things until you get it right, because you can get it right. And I just want to encourage you to keep trying, get in the gym, keep exercising, and figure it out. So, I want to thank everybody for listening. If you know someone that this would benefit, just to hear that, hey, I'm not, mocking you or belittling you. I just want to encourage you. Pass it on to them. And because it's sad that so many people we know keep trying different things and it just doesn't work. Pass this on to them.